Do you have any bags? Do you have any bags?
Yes, there's a suitcase. Yes, there's a suitcase.
How's the weather? How's the weather?
It is raining. It is raining.
What's a dream destination you hope to visit someday? What's a dream destination you hope to visit someday?
I've always wanted to visit the Maldives for its stunning beaches and clear waters. I've always wanted to visit the Maldives for its stunning beaches and clear waters.
How much does it cost? How much does it cost?
It's $100. It's $100.
What's a movie or TV show that you can re-watch over and over again? What's a movie or TV show that you can re-watch over and over again?
I can watch The Shawshank Redemption multiple times without getting bored. I can watch The Shawshank Redemption multiple times without getting bored.
How are you feeling? How are you feeling?
I'm all right. I'm all right.
What did you buy? What did you buy?
I will buy some vegetables. I will buy some vegetables.
Is he at home? Is he at home?
Yes, he is at home. Yes, he is at home.
Whose friend is he? Whose friend is he?
He is my friend. He is my friend.
Will it rain today? Will it rain today?
I don't think it will rain. I don't think it will rain.
Can you handle it? Can you handle it?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Do you like snow? Do you like snow?
No, I don't like it. No, I don't like it.
Who is your friend? Who is your friend?
Bob is my friend. Bob is my friend.
Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee?
Sometimes. Sometimes.
How long will it take? How long will it take?
It will take an hour. It will take an hour.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
I am going to the market. I am going to the market.
What will you buy there? What will you buy there?
I will buy bread. I will buy bread.
Will anyone else go with you? Will anyone else go with you?
Yes, my brother will go with me. Yes, my brother will go with me.
May I go with you? May I go with you?
Yes, you may. Yes, you may.
What do you want to do? What do you want to do?
I want to play computer game. I want to play computer game.
Could we play cricket? Could we play cricket?
No, I don't like it. No, I don't like it.
Then, could we play chess? Then, could we play chess?
I don't know how to play it. I don't know how to play it.
Do you want to go swimming? Do you want to go swimming?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
Because I heard a joke. Because I heard a joke.
Who told you that? Who told you that?
My friend told me that. My friend told me that.
When did he send it? When did he send it?
A few minutes ago. A few minutes ago.
Will you tell me that? Will you tell me that?
Yes, I will tell you. Yes, I will tell you.
When do you go to college? When do you go to college?
I go at 10 a.m. I go at 10 a.m.
How do you get to college? How do you get to college?
I go to college by bus. I go to college by bus.
What do you study? What do you study?
I study English. I study English.
Do you have fun at college? Do you have fun at college?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm doing my office work. I'm doing my office work.
Can I speak to Bob? Can I speak to Bob?
Just a moment, please. Just a moment, please.
Which year are you in? Which year are you in?
I'm in my second year. I'm in my second year.